If you're looking to have a company that's more than 200 accounts, you need a system. Before, everything was off the top of my head. Not only would I forget stops, I would go to stops when they're not ready to be picked up.
The biggest problem every business faces is staff.
We were nervous about having people come on because we didn't know how to translate that. So now I can pre-build routes for them and go from there.
The software allows us to hire, train, and make drivers productive in very little time.
I mean, the biggest thing right now in our industry is theft, and we rely heavily on our image. So being able to track everywhere we go, everything that we do, it allows us to get a higher price and work with a higher caliber of company.
I mean, without the software, we'd be stuck on the curve of slow growth and adding tiny restaurants.
So without the system, I mean, growth is limited.